Use makeup remover to cleanse the face of dirt, oil, and makeup. Cleanse the face using a facial cleanser, and then evenly apply toner. Saturate cotton pads with cuticle softener and apply them to the forehead, nose, cheeks, chin. Cover the recipient's eyes with washcloths and apply a hot spray to the face for 3 minutes to open pores and aid cleansing. Remove the hot spray, cotton pads, and washcloths. Place a cotton filter in the microdermabrasion handle, then attach the required tip. Microdermabrasion cleans impurities and excess sebum in the pores. Suction setting: rotate the top knob at the back of the main unit to the max direction. Press the handle onto the recipient's forehead and hold for 1 second. Gently rotate and lift the applicator and then move to the next spot. This applies to the forehead, nose, and chin. Repeat on the other side. Remove the fresh bottle cap. Pour in the Hydrofacial solution, SA2 solution. Secure the cap. And then attach the bottle to the fresh bottle inlet on the main unit. Attach the required Hydrofacial tip, white silicone, to the Hydrofacial handle. Hydrofacial treatment: deep cleansing and control of excess oil. Water flow setting: the middle rotary knob on the back of the main unit controls the water flow for the Hydrofacial handle. Rotate it 1 to 3 turns towards the max direction, up to 12 turns. Suction setting: the bottom knob controls the suction intensity of the Hydrofacial handle. Rotate it 2 to 4 turns towards the max direction, up to 10 turns. Starting at the forehead, treat 2 to 3 spots, then connect them in a line. Repeat until the entire face is treated. Following the order: forehead, nose, chin, and cheeks. Glass tube, enhance cleansing effectiveness. During operation, cover the small hole on the tube with your finger to maintain suction. Rotate it to the max. Glide the tube across the face, following the order: forehead, nose, chin, and cheeks. Wipe the face with a washcloth, then apply toner. Preparations: prepare the mini flask by mixing saline solution and serum in a 10:1 ratio and shaking thoroughly for proper blending. Mist level: rotate the knob at the tail to the left. Note: press the button in the center to begin spraying. Move the handle in circular motions across 3 facial areas. Glide upward along the chin. Sweep from the center of the face to the side of the cheek, and lift upward toward the hairline on the forehead. Apply a mask to the face. Remove the mask and cleanse the face. Apply toner, essence, cream. Microdermabrasion handle cleaning. After each use, remove the microdermabrasion tip, brush it with water using a small brush, and dry it thoroughly. Spray handle cleaning. Press the button that controls the spray and microdermabrasion handles, open the mini flask cap, pour in purified water, and pull the handle trigger to spray water until it is completely clean. Hydrofacial handle cleaning. 1. Handle body cleaning. Pour water into the fresh bottle. Press the Hydrofacial control button to turn it on, adjust the water flow and suction knobs, cover the tip with your thumb, then remove it. Repeat for 2 minutes. Two. Tip cleaning. Remove the tip from the handle. Brush it with water using a small brush, soak it in saline solution for 5 minutes, and then dry it thoroughly.